Welcome to Robots, Rhetoric, and the American Factory Floor. Today, we're diving into the rapidly accelerating world of industrial automation. 5 months after turbocharging AI, the administration is now pivoting hard toward robotics. This shift in focus comes as the government recognizes the critical role of physical automation. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick is, quote, all in. CEOs are lining up, and an executive order may even be on deck for 2026. But here's the twist. The administration is walking a thin line between promise and peril. While the White House promises a manufacturing revival and job growth, the reality on the factory floor is more complex. Automation could be the silent pink slip for many factory workers, replacing human roles entirely. This isn't just a domestic issue. It's a global technology race where the U.S. is currently playing catch-up. China is already sprinting ahead, with an estimated 1.8 million factory bots installed, dominating the industrial automation landscape. The U.S. is trying to close the gap with $2.3 billion in federal funding and a humanoid workforce just clocking in for their first tasks. Meanwhile, the robotics industry is aggressively lobbying for greater government support. Industry leaders call robots the, quote, physical embodiment of AI, emphasizing their role in translating intelligence into tangible work. To accelerate adoption, they want tax breaks, federal funding, and protection through trade shields. The technology is no longer theoretical. It's being deployed in factories right now. Apptronik's humanoid robot, Apollo, is already starting its shifts on the assembly line, marking a new era of human-robot collaboration. Major players like Boston Dynamics are linking the advancement of robotics directly to national security, stressing its strategic importance. But what does all this mean for the backbone of American industry, the workers themselves? Workers face a crucial dilemma. Will these robots empower them by taking on dangerous or monotonous tasks, or will they simply replace them entirely? This isn't just a technology race. It's a battle for the very soul of American labor and the future of factory work. The administration's pivot to robotics is a high-stakes move with profound implications for the U.S. economy and workforce. For the full breakdown, in-depth graphics, and our final nut wrap-up, head to deesnuts.tech.